All right, friends, to do the indoor version of splash photography, it's pretty much the same ingredients. We're gonna have our ice cubes, a glass of water. Clear glass is preferred, but now we're adding to the mix a flashlight so that we can be in charge of the lighting. And because we're indoors and cleanliness matters, something to clean up the splash zone afterwards. So let's get started. All right, so let's get set up. I'm not gonna need that yet. We're gonna place our glass about there. Ooh, that's starting to get more interesting. Let's get our flashlight about there. Now, here's the part where it's all up to you and your creativity. What's the angle of your shot going to be? From above to catch the shadow, close up and hitting a focus point on the glass itself. Maybe if you can switch to wide angle, you'll do that. That is totally up to you and your creativity. Also, don't forget, move that light around. If you are lucky enough to have a cooperative human who can help you out, then it would be great if they could maybe hold the light in different positions up above and also be the ice cube dropper. I'm gonna do this solo so you can see it can be a one-person show, but if you have somebody to help, it's a lot more fun and gives them something to do. So let's see what we get now. Go to our camera so you can see my setup, the flashlight, the backdrop. I'm gonna move this just so it's kind of centered up there. Okay, so I'm gonna switch into burst mode. And let's see what we got. Okay, that's kind of cool, right? Let's go to select and see how did that, oh, I like that one too. Harold Edgerton would be proud of me, I hope. I'm gonna keep everything because I'm kind of a photo hoarder. Sorry, friends. I'm gonna turn this upside down, my camera that is. So now the shutter button is at the top. All right, so I've got this set up. I'm holding it steady, going into burst mode. Let's see how we did here. Oh, and when you're done, don't forget to clean up and take care.